Hello everyone, in front of me is HUAWEI Nova 13, and let me show you how to change keyboard language. At first, open New Message. Here you've got your current keyboard, so it's basically English. To change it, just tap on More icon, select Settings, pick Languages, and now just mark the language that you want to apply. For example, Chinese or any other. Just scroll or mark Search button to provide the language that you want to apply. Obviously, you can stay with both languages or one language only, however you prefer. Let me unmark the second one. So now, as you can see, you've got a brand new keyboard language. So this is it. To change it, just enroll Settings again, go to Languages, and either stay with both languages right now. As you can see here, you will have both of them, and you will be able to switch somewhere here, I guess. Yep, so go to Layouts and mark the language that you want to use. So just tap on More icon, select Layouts, and pick the keyboard that you want to currently use. We also got the over here, handwriting. And then you can find the letter. If you wish to go back to first language or change it another time, or just go back to one language only, just enter Settings again, go to Languages, and pick the language that you want to use. And now just wait till it's downloaded. And as you can see, it is set. So that will be all. Thank you for watching, please subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.